Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Darren Brown with Darmac Builders, also known as The Builder. With Brightway Insurance, coming to you on a beautiful day here in South Florida. And right now, what I'm doing is organizing like my jobs, basically. And that's very important. You know, you got to kind of like have a schedule as far as what you're going to do on a daily basis. So right now, I had an inspection. I had 2 inspections. I got 2 more to do today, and I'm gonna have 2 on Monday, actually. And this is all getting ready so I can do my concrete pour for my foundation, which I already scheduled for Wednesday of next week. So everything, sometimes you got to like plan ahead and with the anticipation that you're gonna strike it rich by getting all your inspections passed on time and delivered. So today we had the first 2 inspections this morning. We passed them. I got another 2 coming in, hopefully within the next hour or 2. Get that out the way, and then we can start setting up for the ones for Monday. Again, when you get up, when you are building from ground up, and that's what we do. That's what our company do at Darmac Builders. We build, we consult, we do, you know, the whole turnkey thing. But you have to organize a lot. And that's very important. You have to communicate with your subs, your vendors. You got to keep everybody on the same page, even when they don't call you. I mean, it's good to text and good to email, but sometimes I like to pick up the phone because not everybody look at their emails and texts at the same time or every day. But if I see a call, you see a missed call, and you're working with a project in mind, you may be tempted to call me back and say, hey, listen, I missed your call. What's up? You know what I mean? So because when you build it, everything has to, it's like a symphony. You got to kind of like organize it to make sure everybody are on the right key. So these are the things that I'm doing right now, man, and I just want to keep that in your heads. Like when you're building, knowledge is key, but your organizational skills is going to be paramount and for your success. So just make sure you always stay in tune with your vendors, your contractors, your subs, you know, everybody who is going to play a major part in the project. All right, I'll be back. Peace.